How to fix Roblox not loading on mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this. The first thing you want to do is turn on the airplane mode for 15 seconds. Then you want to turn it off. Now try opening Roblox and check if your issue is fixed. If it still won't load, then you want to close the Roblox app completely. Open the app switcher and swipe it off of your screen. Now relaunch it. Next, you want to check for updates. For that, open App Store or Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Roblox. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear the app's cache. For that, tap and hold on Roblox. Tap on this info icon. It will take you to settings. Now select storage, select clear cache. You also want to make sure that your phone has enough free storage and you're not using a VPN, since VPNs can block Roblox. Now restart your device and check. If the issue is still not fixed, then you can simply reinstall the app. For that, tap on the uninstall option. Once you have uninstalled Roblox, again open Play Store or App Store and you can simply install it from here. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.